Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Net Foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi.
Ulat Gajala Meghalaya, usi age vi Shankar, ulong bo ulong balakloi, ban ai jing kersha ni ki beri kudan jing thot agi department, dari ki wat jing Arab negara Raj Bhavan, ladina ka sarkar India. Ulat ulapen pau ya kene, habakaran ko bokong san na jing rakhe, yak International Day of Person with Disabilities, ulapen long na gatanat social welfare ka sarkar Meghalaya, hakalai trik uno apra arajar phosau. Ulakin tu yak officer ba yung menteri bakmi yak gatanat social welfare, ban lom yak kerteng, jigi kena ki badan kam, kena bo undup la ban wa jing Arab na kabenta jongki. Haga digasngi ulat ringkat ber menteri katna social welfare ba polling do lasa mi cerebral palsy adaptive chair chiki khenna but haga ju kapor ulat pat baru yagi Meghalaya sign legs.
Nowadays it is very difficult to manage a normal child. If at all it's being a handicap, we can understand the real position of the parent of that child. If at all a child born handicapped or disabled, we have to understand the situation within that family, position of that family. At least a mother or father or somebody else. All the 24 hours they have to dedicate to that child only. All the times they have to concentrate and they have to manage their child. In the given situation, it is our responsibility to see that. It is a government responsibility, not only government responsibility, some of the NGOs they had come here. More than the government they are serving to this mankind. Even any responsible person, it is his responsibility to see that that child should also lead normal life. By birth, if at all any child born as disabled, nothing wrong. It is his wish. But if at all it remains disabled forever, it is a crime, I tell you. It is a really crime. Such society cannot be treated as a healthy society. So in that way, Mr. Lindo, the Honorable Minister, he spoke really well. We have to keep his words in our mind. Accordingly, we have to act and take the risk and responsibility of this particular disabled children. One thing I make it very clear here, some of our officers belongs to social welfare department, they are very responsible, I can understand, very committed. But one thing I make it very clear here, either any assistance from our Raj Bhavan, any assistance from the Government of India, or in any way, if at all you people feel our assistance is necessary, our intervention is necessary, timely we should assist you people. At any point of time, we are with you. Sincerely we are with you. And I have seen some of the young boys here, by birth, by born, they are not blind. Something happened in the middle, and accordingly, now they are blind. But according to me, if at all it is not by birth, is not blind. 100% if at all you are able to get some of the eye donor, that eye can be replaced. Again we can bring him to the normal life. Normal life. So in that way, I request our officers who are here, even to the minister also I request sincerely, to make the list of those young people, those children, and let us see what best can be done on behalf of we people. Replacement of eye. Many donors are there, eye donors. Only I think we have to just register our name. Accordingly, we have to see that timely we are able to get that eye. And that eye can be replaced. If one eye is enough to lead normal life. And some of the children I have seen here, below the age of 10, in any way it is we feel it is handicap. If at all timely, we morally support that family and we are able to see that in what way that child can bring to the normal position. 90% of the child, 90% of the children I can say, we can bring them back to the normal position. Only it needs timely approach and we have to assess what type of treatment actually that child needs. And one thing I can assure you people, and even ministry is also here, if at all some of the issue related to particular child, if at all timely we are not able to get experts here, on behalf of the government, I assure you people, if at all we are supposed to get some of the expert doctors anywhere, in any part of the country, definitely we bring them here. If at all we are supposed to get some of the expert doctors, if at all he comes, able to get treatment, that child is going to be normal. Anywhere in any part of the world, we request our doctors, expert doctors, we can bring them here. Meghalaya should stand first, taking care of such childs. That name should come to the state of Meghalaya. I myself, yesterday afternoon, I thought myself, what a handicapped child needs, disabled child needs. Proper guidance, timely guidance, and motivation, not only from the parent side, even from our side also, and moral support to that family, to that child, and humbleness to bring them to the mainstream. People who are born disabled is not an issue, but there should not be a hurdle in any achievement. Sincere effort and application of our mind can help achieve anything by that child. Accordingly, that child can live with dignity and allow that particular child to lead the respectful life. Let us pledge ourselves for this cause. Just I think probably 8 days back, I had been to Bidar in Karnataka. One man, Rajana, is a Padma Shri awardee. He was a part of that program. Because of polio at the age of 8, he was supposed to suffer, made him to suffer. Now he has no hands, both of the hands. No legs, both of the legs. He was able to participate in the Olympic. And able to win. He brought the medal to India. No hands, no legs. There is my mobile. That photo is there in my mobile. So accordingly, only it needs commitment by the parents, by the government. If at all we do have commitment, definitely we can see that that child also live and lead normal life. In that way, again I make it very clear here, any sort of assistance, either by the government, by the Raj Bhavan, by the union government, we are here with you people, with the department people, with the NGOs, and you people told that you are going to invite you people to your NGO, which is committed to this type of activities. Any point of time you people invite you, definitely we come, we are going to be with you.